Hey guys, today we're going to do some cinnamon apples and French toast on the Blackstone Griddle. So let me get some things ready and we'll get this going. Hey everybody, it's Rob from Mr. Homeowner. Today, it's pretty hot out here today. So far it's about 90 degrees, I guess, or about 85. But there's no wind, so this is heating up pretty well here. Hotter than I was hoping it was going to be. It's about the mid 300s and it's at, everything's set to low. But today we're going to do apples, sliced up apples with some cinnamon. And then we're also going to do brioche French toast. And we're going to try to do them all at the same time here. I'm going to use just regular old butter today, unsalted butter. First things first, we'll throw some apples down. Now these might go quick. What you want to do here is keep them wet. Throw this down here, out of the way. You want to have some water. Cinnamon. Well, you can smell that. You want to try to keep water on it. About a half cup every time you pour it on. You don't want them drying out. We'll start with that. And you can see I'm at a little bit of an angle here, looks like. But let's keep these guys going and move on to French toast. We'll add some more water over there in a minute. So these, see, it's pretty thick slice brioche. Let that soak in there a minute. You know what? Let's do, let's get some butter on there. And I feel like I'm in a race today. Try to get these guys going. All right. Try to get everything in there happy. Without burning it. So I wanted to try to do the low temperature here. Now the eggs we're using are right from our chickens. I think you heard one of them as soon as I hit record on the camera. So let's start with those. Let's head back over to these guys. I want these to break down quite a bit more here. Yeah, these aren't ready yet. Now the apples, I got the idea from the Blackstone site. They say low to medium heat. Every few minutes, move them around and pour some water on them. That's what we're doing there. And then French toast. Usually try to do low heat on those. Don't want to burn anything up. There we go, look at that. There we're going. All right, these are getting soft, but not as soft as I'd like. So let's do that. This French toast I may turn up a tiny bit. And cinnamon these up a little bit more. As far as this mixture for the French toast, I used 8 or 9 of our eggs. And then about half, filled up the rest with about the same amount of milk, some cinnamon, and some sugar. And we only have, damn, look at that slice. It's gonna be I'll let that one sop up most of the rest here. All right, let me get rid of some of these dirty dishes. I could just scramble that. All right, let's check these apples. They're getting there. Now this plate all I used, this was for the apples, so I'm going to go ahead and use this to put these guys on. These ones look like they're pretty good. I can move these guys around a little bit. All right, let me work on these a little bit and probably see you with a finished plate. Those are steaming up nice. All right, see you in a minute. All right, so here's what we have. And I'll move some things around. The apples are looking awesome. Got some powdered sugar on here, a little whipped cream. Let's see how this all tastes. All right, I'm gonna start with a little apple. That was really good. I don't even have any syrup on here. Sorry, you're gonna watch me eat another one. Maybe. Yeah, this was easy, it was quick. The hardest part was mixing up the eggs and things. Oh, and slicing up the apples and peeling them. But once you get it on there, it's quick. The apples took a little longer than I thought they would. They probably took 15 minutes or so. The French toast though was great. The bread was just pre-sliced brioche bread from Giant, which is easy. That means I didn't have to cut it. But yeah, this is great. My daughter's got a friend over from sleepover, and they're in there eating right now. So if you have any questions about this video, feel free to comment, give a thumbs up if you could, and look at some of my other videos. You should see some of them come up right now as I'm talking. And if you can, subscribe. So we'll see you guys later, and thanks for watching.